Today I'm going to run through the basic operation of the Truma CP Plus heating and hot water system in the caravan. I'm not going to go through the advanced features, but just basically get you up and running with the unit. You've got the centre knob and you've got a little back arrow. The centre knob has two functions. It turns to change your selection, and when you press it you accept whatever is on the screen. To turn the unit on, press and hold the centre dial. We go to our main menu screen. The first icon flashing is the heating. If we want to go into that system, press to select. The heating is currently off. We can choose by turning the dial anything between 5 and 30 degrees. Now I'm going to choose 30 degrees at the moment just to show you. Once you've selected your temperature, if the temperature in the caravan is not at the temperature you've selected, that little flame picture, which is basically showing that the heating is set, will flash until the temperature that you've set is reached. Then it will just stay on solid. Further along, we can see that we've got a power source of electric and we've got a fan on as well. Those symbols will come to a bit more detail in a minute. So let's bring it back up to the screen. Let's go back into our heating system and we'll turn it off. Okay, let's turn the heating off. The next icon along is hot water. Press to select. We go into our hot water system. Currently off. Turning the dial, we've got options of 40, 60 or boost. If we want to set some hot water, we choose one of those options. We'll select 40. Now, if you chose the boost setting, any power that is going to heat the caravan, the power will be transferred to the hot water to heat the hot water quicker, and the heating will go back on once the temperature of the water is reached. Now we can see that little thermometer flashing, and that is telling us that the hot water is on, but it hasn't reached the temperature. Let's go back in and we'll just turn that off. Okay, so turn the dial to scroll to the next icon. This is the power source. Press to select. The options we've got here are gas, mix 1, which is gas and 4 amps of electric, mix 2, which is gas and 8 amps of electric, EL1, which is 4 amps of electric only, EL2, which is 8 amps of electric only. So if we select EL1, choose that, press to select, we are now going to be feeding the hot water and the heating system with a 4 amps of electric. If you watch the symbol on the top row, you'll see how it indicates the chosen power source. Gas is just a gas bottle, mix 1, a gas bottle and 1 flash of electric, mix 2, a gas bottle and 2 flashes of electric, EL1, 1 flash of electric, EL2, 2 flashes of electric. So the last icon on that row is the fan. If we press to go into that and we turn it, we get vent. If we press to accept, we can then change the fan speed from 1 to 10. Now, interestingly, I'm going to go back and put some heating on. So if I turn the heating on, let's go to say 18 degrees, and then go across to the fan setting, select the fan, we then have options of eco or high. So the fan is now going to just blow out at one of two speeds, eco or high, to blow the hot air round the caravan. So if I go back, we've now got the heating on, 18, turn it off, and the hot water is off. We are feeding it with EL1, so that's 4 amps of electric, and the fan is off. The only other thing I'm going to show you at this stage, select the spanner. One of the options, if we turn the dial, is reset. If you get in a mess with the system, press reset and it will reset the system, initializing, and it's reset it for you.